Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, to collect unbelievable, uncountable reward for the Akhirat, please make this dua 3 times after every salat. This dua is in the Tabarani Sharif. If you read this dua, when one time 70,000 angels are appointed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to write reward in your favor for 1,000 days. Subhanallah. Allahu Akbar. And if we read this dua in Ramadan, then we will get the reward 70 times more. Therefore, I will recommend, if possible, in Ramadan, we should read this dua at least 100 times every day. Insha'Allah, our book of deed will be full of the rewards. Here is the dua. Jazallahu anna Muhammadan ma huwa ahluhu. Jazallahu anna Muhammadan ma huwa ahluhu. Again. Jazallahu anna Muhammadan ma huwa ahluhu. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.